Hey, it's James at Workshop Software. How you going? Got a really important video. There's a lot of information here and I would love to give you some insights into a bit about what's been going on and about what is coming up. And there's some really important stuff, and be sure to watch this to the end. So first up, you should already be aware, if you're an active user of Workshop Software, that the new user interface is about to come out. So we're planning to release that in the United Kingdom and the United States on the first week of September, and it's going to be released in Australia in the second week in September. So around the 10th of September is the release date, so please be prepared for that. We've got a number of people at the moment who are testing it on beta. So far the feedback's been really positive, which has been great. And if you want to have a look at it, feel free to go to beta.workshopsoftware.com.au and you can have a look at it yourself if you want to have a bit of a play with it. Remember, that's your live data, so if you do go there, just make sure that you are, you're not mucking around. That's a real thing. So that's coming. And I wanted to also give you some insights into why this is so important. So we've built the whole framework of the new front end of Workshop Software. We've rebuilt basically the whole thing and how it works. And so what this means is that moving forward, or upon the release of the new user interface, it's going to mean performance improvements, but moving forward too, it means that we've got a platform for us to develop on where we can deliver better things, we can deliver things quicker, and we can deliver things in a more economical and better way for you guys. So we're super pumped about what this is going to bring, and that's one of the reasons why we're so excited about what we're going to do with the user interface, is because it is the platform for us to go to the next level, and there's some really exciting things coming too. So we're going to redesign the booking diary, we've got some new ways in which you've signed up to Workshop Software. There's going to be a whole heap of things coming, and we'll be very clear about in delivering the information for that for you as we go along. There's a couple of other things that are happening as well. You might have seen WorkshopData, that's already out. Come September 2, we're going to do the second release of WorkshopData, which is super exciting. There's going to be lots of technical data come inside Workshop Software, which I think will be a game changer to how you operate your workshop. We've got the release of Podium next week, which is super exciting as well. So Podium is going to be a real game changer in terms of how you communicate with clients and things like that. I'd certainly recommend, once we release it next week, you'll hear more about it, but it would be worthwhile getting onto Podium and seeing how it might work for your business and transform the way that you deal with your clients and keep your clients and get new clients as well. So we're super pumped about that integration with Podium. And we've also got public APIs coming as well. Getting a little bit technical, but it'll allow you to do things like you could do online bookings on your own website. You can plug that into your own website as an example, and you could get your coder to code directly into our APIs. So there's some things that we're working on in that respect too. There's going to be some new help documentation and what we call user flows inside Workshop Software. So there's lots of stuff that we've got on the go. We've done heaps of improvements of recent times as well. But yeah, there's a lot happening, a lot going on, but I just want to let you know about the user interface. We'll keep you informed over the next 3 or 4 weeks about what's going on with it. But September 10th's the date. Please be ready for it. We're going to release documentation and things like that. But if you want to have a look on beta, go for it. But I'd love to get your feedback. We've had great feedback so far. So really appreciate your help, support, and also the future success of your business. Thanks.